So I know I would say that I love these tires, and I do love these tires. And I know I tried to get a video out about 2 weeks ago when I got these, maybe 3 weeks ago, when I got these tires on, but we've been having some crazy weather. We'll have some rain, 40-degree weather, back to snow, 4 to 6 inches, a foot. So, but yeah, no, other than going to work and dealing with all this weather. But these are the 265, I believe 60 BF K02s on my Jeep here. As you can see, it's snowing / sleet, and I had no problems after work getting home, driving about 40 miles an hour, changing lanes with a lot of sleet. Never felt any slippage or anything that I would lose control with the vehicle itself. But these are some really good tires. I highly recommend them if you can get your hands on them. I waited a good long time to get these in, and when I put the order in, they only had one tire in stock, and it took another 3 to 4 months to get the other 3 tires in. So, but I was on a long waiting list for these tires. Don't mind me, it's a little under the weather since I work outside a little bit. It is what it is with the trades. But I love these tires, and hopefully I can have a driving video of these. But I'd have to see. I don't know what the weather's gonna be like. If it was constant snow, then that'd be fine. But I do have a slight issue. There's a rattling underneath the vehicle. About a month ago, I had my rear main seal blow out on my engine here, so I had that replaced under warranty. But I don't know what this rattle is. I can't seem to find it. I know they had to drop the transmission, so I don't know if it's transmission wise, but it shifts fine. I have no problems going into other different gears, low gear, sport mode, or anything like that. I have no issues. But I love these tires. Highly recommend them. If you get your hands on them. But these are the stock 18s. I love them.